I think helmed by Mrs. Godrej, the Heroes Project, of course, the initiative to spread awareness, tolerance, acceptance against the stigma that is caused by HIV is a tremendous endeavor, and I think I've been associated with the cause for over 10 years now, nearly a decade. And of course, her concept of the soul cage, and the HIV is the first. This installation, of course, is a grand concept, of course, to show the importance of prevention via the usage of condoms. And of course, the soul cage is about the various children infected by the disease who are trapped socially, the children that you saw today from various states. And I think both Farhana and I have been associated with the cause. And we would like to personally thank Mr. Trivedi for actually extending himself at every account and helping this endeavor by Mrs. Godrej and the Heroes Project. I think the message is loud and clear this evening on this platform. It was very evident. It's tolerance. The message is tolerance, it's acceptance, and it's against the stigma in every which way. And it's about understanding the trauma, not just reading about it, not just knowing that there is an existing crisis called AIDS worldwide, but to address it, understand what it takes to prevent it. And I think endeavors such as the Heroes Project and today the Soul Cage concept is to basically enhance the message for you to understand the details of this information, not just absorb it, but understand it and take action against it. I think जो awareness है वो सबसे बड़ा challenge है कि information जो हम जानते हैं उसके बारे में वो मीडिया द्वारा हम spread करें, हम बताएं लोगों को कि क्या है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी information होती है, लोग पढ़ भी लेते हैं लेकिन समझते नहीं हैं. I think सबसे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण बात यही है कि हम लोग समझें, बात ही ना करें, पढ़ें ना, बस समझें क्या करना है और आगे जाके कुछ करें. यही नहीं कि पढ़ के बस कुछ ना करें और जाके फिर भी prevention का कुछ ना करें. वो समझें और absorb करें, और वो सबसे important बात है.
Yeah, no, I think the important thing, as Karan said, which is true and has been for a very, very long time, is the awareness of people regarding this virus. More importantly, also sensitivity towards people who are currently suffering from it. The lack of discrimination is very, very important. Everyone should get to lead their life the way that they want to, in a very protected way, in a safe way, and at the same time not be treated differently because they've contracted a certain disease. So AIDS is no different from any other disease on that front, that you don't change your behavior towards someone because they have a flu. So you should not change it even if they have this virus. I think that's very important. Right, I think cinema is a medium of communication, so it's something that we have used in the past. We are using it right now, and we will hopefully use it even more effectively in the future. To spread the awareness, and to make people aware that it's not a problem that's maybe just in their house. There are many other people suffering from it as well. So don't think that you're alone in this. There's places you can go to, there's people that you can talk to figure out what the best possible means of prevention are. For example, like this beautiful installation here today is a reminder of that. And also what you can do to treat people and deal with people who are currently suffering from it.
I think it's definitely my prime concern to, of course, extend myself for socially relevant causes. And as a filmmaker, I feel I owe it, and it's my responsibility. Of course, making a film on AIDS is my topmost priority because I've been associated with the Heroes Project for the last decade. So to do it for Mrs. Godrej and the project will be my honor, and I hope to get cracking about it immediately next year. And not just make the film, but make a film that gets through an infrastructure. Not just make it and it lies there for very few people to see it. But the most important is spreading the message and creating an infrastructure whereby that film, with the usage of exhibition in cinemas, with the usage of powerful television networks, the media, all of you, to put that message forth on the electronic media, talk about it in the print media, put it on various exhibition networks, be it the cinemas, multiplexes, single screens of the country, whereby it gets seen, not just made as seen. There are many, many films made, documentaries made on AIDS, but very few people have the visibility of that. And I think with, of course, the esteemed support of Mr. Trivedi, Mrs. Godrej, and all such dignitaries who have contributed to the great cause of promoting the cause against stigma and spreading the awareness of tolerance, I think we have to create an infrastructure to do that, and I'm sure we will in the very next year.